So I've got a bit of a cough at the moment, and I've just done the nasal spray, and it has left a really disgusting taste in the back of my throat. And so what we've got is just a honey and lemon and water concoction. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's really good. Very, very warm. You know, it is warm water, boiled water. Well, put in the kettle water, like tea. It's about the temperature of tea. But this is phenomenal. This is like, wow. It also makes me feel like an extremely old woman. I feel like, well, maybe that's because we got the lemons from my grandmother's house. Mmm, this is really good. If you've ever got a cough and you've put the nose, if you've ever in my situation, consider that. It's just a scoop of honey, a juiced out lemon, a little bit of hot water, and then you do a little bit of cold water afterwards. Mm. You can tell there's lemon in there, but it's not sour in any way. It doesn't taste like lemon juice. The honey adds a very good amount of sweetness to it that really balances it out. It's wow, that's phenomenal. Yeah, this is really really good.